inaugurate the new House of Commons building come leading ministers and many MPs. In an opening reference to the great parliamentary institution, Mr. Attlee says,
Hitler may have thought that by destroying our chamber, he was delivering a blow against democracy. But the House of Commons is not a building. It is a living fellowship, renewed through the centuries, changing in its membership, but always in essence the same.
The foundation stone is laid by the Speaker of the House, Colonel Clifton Brown. The solemnity of the occasion is lightened as he brings his customary dignity to his new role of mason, causing good-natured amusement among watching members.
Just a little more here. I now declare that the stone has been well and truly laid. God bless the new House of Commons.